Lesson 1. Waves, Light, and Sound. Let us begin by exploring waves. Waves are caused by vibrations, and they transfer energy as they travel, without permanently transferring matter from one place to another. In a transverse wave, the particles of the medium vibrate perpendicularly, or at right angles, to the direction of wave travel. Key formulas link wave properties together. Period is the reciprocal of frequency, and wave speed equals frequency multiplied by wavelength. The electromagnetic spectrum arranges waves by increasing wavelength and decreasing frequency. The order is gamma rays, X-rays, ultraviolet, visible light, infrared, microwaves, and radio waves. Light behaves in fascinating ways. According to the laws of reflection, the angle of incidence equals the angle of reflection, and the incident ray, reflected ray, and normal all lie in the same plane. Refraction occurs because light travels at different speeds in different mediums, and you can find the refractive index by dividing the speed of light in air by its speed in the medium. When white light passes through a glass prism, a spectrum forms because different colors travel at slightly different speeds in glass and refract by different amounts. Sound also behaves as a wave. An echo is simply the reflection of sound from a surface back to a listener. Ultrasound consists of sound waves with a frequency above the upper limit of human hearing, which is about 20,000 Hz.